Hi, it's JoElla. I'm a law licensed esthetician, and I am going to go over some important questions today. You know, all during the week I get questions from an email or on phone, you know, asking me certain things pertaining to their face. So I thought I would address it in my video here. And most of these are pertaining to the Viktoria line, which is my favorite skincare line that I've sold well over 10 years and use the products myself. So what I want to start with, it's so imperative when you want to make a change on your face, you need to use your products twice a day. Because people, I mean, I know we're all on a budget, and people, you know, they go, oh, I'm trying to save some money and I want to improve this and I want to make it last. So, I use it every other day or once a week. Well, that is not going to make it. You've got to do it twice a day. Once you get your face into a place that you like the way it looks, then you could go to once a day. You can do that. But in the beginning, you want to do it twice a day. That's how you're going to make a change. And if, in the long run, if you are worried about money and you do this, you know, when people start telling you how great you look pretty soon, then you're not going to really care about the price because it's not going to make it that much more. So that's a very important thing that I bring up. Also, you know, it's very interesting for me because I order products for myself, and sometimes I'll get them and then somebody else will order something and I end up giving them my product thinking, oh, I'll get mine on my next order. And that happened on my Pept Pad. I was out of it for about 2 or 3 weeks, and I could really see a difference, honestly. I mean, my face still looks good, but I have certain areas that I could see that I didn't use a Pept Pad. So that's such an important product. Now, an area that I want to address is this area here, because we get a lot of that. I have problems with that myself. My mouth looks great compared to how it used to go. I mean, it was horrible. But through the years of using this, the Viktoria, it's just come up so much and just has just a little bit of a droop, not that much, you know, and if you smile, then you don't see it. And that's caused from broken down collagen, and which then affects the elasticity and the fat pads, your natural fat pads, you know, by losing fat as you age. So that's going to cause all this to droop a little bit. And I know a lot of women still, they might go and get fillers or injectables, and that could be a good thing to do there. But if you notice lately, a lot of the celebrities are taking their fillers out of their face because they realize, you know, because you have to just keep adding, and then in time you don't look like yourself anymore. And who wants to look at a big, full moon face? There's nothing more beautiful than a woman that looks natural, beautiful naturally. So, and that's what our goal is. And I don't care how old you are. It doesn't matter if you start today, if you're 60, 70, 80, it does not matter, because these are going to change your skin if you do twice a day. So what I want to, back on this area here, the thing that works for me, as always, the JoElla Milan Capsule Youth Water. This, I have to say honestly, I would put this product above even some of the other lines that I carry. This product has changed my face so much. And my clients that use it swear by it too, because it lifts and tones, infirms, and heals, and gets rid of crepey skin. It just does so many remarkable products. So you want to really, really, really massage this in before you do anything, in the morning and the night, on the neck. So, and then when you massage it in here really good, because that's going to help with this area. So you want to do that. So my next product, back on the Pept Pad, is, for me, Pept Pad will help if you're hollowed out in here, help fill in the hollow of underneath your eyes, unless you had your fat taken out by surgery. Is not going to replace that, but it will help restore the fat pad areas in there, help keep your cheeks up where they belong, and it just gives your face just that nice tone, you know, that you need from this, you know, with the fat pads. And this product works. So twice a day, but, you know, capture use water. And then you want to use the Pept Pad in this area. So aside from putting it on there, pick out the areas you don't like. Put it on the side of your mouth. You could put it on your lips too. It makes a difference putting it on the lips. And just really get it in there. And then your Pro Col. The Pro Col is for broken down collagen, disorganized collagen. And this is going to help too. So aside from your lift and your tone, all your regular products that you use on there, you want to put them all on your face. But these are the ones that I'm bringing to your attention that can really help with this, the broken down collagen situation. So you want to put that in there too. And just really get it in there. And you're going to see, it doesn't happen overnight. And it could take 3 months, but it will happen. But it just slowly, the sides of your mouth will come up. Now, see, mine, right now, I could see a difference right here. And that's because I didn't use my Pepti Pad for the last 2 or 3 weeks. And it makes a difference. But see, now I've started back on it again today. I got a brush bottle. It'll come back up again. But see, that's where you want them. You want them to look natural. So it's so important. So that's my tip for you for the day. I don't like to overwhelm you with too much information, but these are questions that do come along. And if you need any help, I'm always happy to help you. I have clients that call me. I talk to you on the phone. I'm a real person, and I'm happy to answer your emails. And I want to get you on the right path and have you love your skin. You know, I love my skin. I want you to love your skin too. So I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Bye.